Let's get to Storm Team 8 meteorologist Scott Larson now with details of the storm. Scott.
Hey, Amanda. Well, it's been just 10 days since the landfall of Hurricane Helene, and now we have a hurricane that is continuing to form there in the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the latest details on Category 1 Hurricane Milton. That is moving to the east at 7 miles per hour. It has maximum wind speeds up to 85 miles per hour. This is likely to intensify over those warm waters into a Category 3 or 4 storm, and then it is expected to hit the west coast of Florida by the time that we get to Wednesday night or perhaps early Thursday morning. So Tampa looks like it could be hit pretty hard. Of course, there's still some uncertainty there in the cone, as you can see, painted across West Florida. But again, we will continue to watch that closely as we go through the coming days here. Here's what we're tracking closer to home. We do still have some dry and breezy conditions. A red flag warning stays in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, so please don't do any outdoor burning this evening. Sunny and comfortable weather looks to be taking over as we continue, and we will have a weekend warm-up with temperatures returning into the 70s next Friday and Saturday. Here's another look at the red flag warning. You can see that that encompasses much of the interior of the lower peninsula. That is going to stay in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. This is due to the combination of the breezy conditions and the very dry conditions that we're experiencing. Peak wind gusts today moving up to 46 miles per hour in Howland, 42 miles per hour in both Grand Rapids and Battle Creek, 39 miles per hour in Muskegon and Kalamazoo. So the wind certainly was very powerful today. And even though it isn't going to reach quite that same strength on Monday or Tuesday, we do still have some concerns in relation to the potential for fires to spread since it is so dry, and it is still going to be rather breezy. It looks like winds will peak between 20 and 25 miles per hour on Monday, and a similar scenario on Tuesday. So for the next few days here, please avoid outdoor burning. That is discouraged as we continue to deal with the dry and rather breezy conditions. There's the view in Allendale right now. You can find that we have some sunshine poking through the clouds, and the clouds have become more numerous this afternoon as we check things out in East Grand Rapids. The current temperature in Grand Rapids measured at 63 degrees, west-northwest winds of 22 miles per hour. Sunset is coming in just about an hour from now. Here's a look at our current temperatures. You can find that we have a spread of 40s up to the north, 40 in Houghton, currently 57 in Wausau and Green Bay. We have that cooler air continuing to dive into West Michigan now. It is 65 degrees in Allegan and Howland. We have a temperature of 67 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. And the wind is still dialed up to between 10 and 25 miles per hour sustained, with gusts reaching between 25 and 35 miles per hour. So still packing a lot of strength with that wind. Here's a look at the next 24 hours. Temperatures tonight should be falling off into the 40s, rebounding into the mid-60s tomorrow afternoon. Rather cool out there tonight. 42 in Howard City, 40 degrees in Big Rapids. Anticipating a low temperature of 45 in Grand Rapids, 44 in Wayland and also Hastings. And shifting our attention further south, 46 Kalamazoo, 47 in Dowagiac, and 43 in Coldwater. Here's a look through the 8-day forecast. Not a whole lot of change coming our way through the next few days here. It looks like it'll stay breezy, mostly sunny skies for Monday and Tuesday. Lots of sunshine Wednesday and Thursday as the wind looks to become calmer. And then we make a jump into the 70s on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday when we have some rain chances returning to the mix. Amanda?